Yeah, it's gonna be easier. Today going to be a vlog, I guess, slash how to. No, we're gonna be installing some coilovers. My brother's tired car. I think we got a cord, and I've done it before still now, but today gonna be my first day, so I'm gonna try to shell it down. Yeah, I'm gonna move my car, you know. Stay. Inside. Let me go link target, you know. That's why I need coilovers. This car is too bumpy. Just follow me. Sun beating too, bro.
Like what they put on this?
What? The Camber arms? Yeah. Boy, we could.
You can put that in after?
Yeah, we could put that in like on next day, or if we do it today. Yeah, son. Yeah, boy, we out here. The sun is about 200 degrees.
I see a little more than that.
Yeah, boy, West Bay, he is fucking. Yo, when I did this video with light skin in it, I a black one now, boy. I can't do no more, boy.
I try and think if you take the shock out. Take the shock out so you got more space to play with. Because I could have slid it out if the shock out a while ago.
Alright.
But the only thing is I couldn't slide it out because it would tighten up, yo.
Alright, come on. Mazda Motorsport 345, we need you right now.
Yeah, cause
pause this video, cause John knows I'm dying, looking like an Egyptian out here. This is one problem when you buy American parts for Japanese cars. Yeah, fuck. Now, let me show you where the problem is. This is the problem. This cannot fit in that car, so we gotta grind off the end of this. Or try to. I'm gonna try to do something. I think you can just
I think if it's like that, with just one side.
Go check. You know, put out the side.
Go on.
Found she's tucking, bro.
Go on. Just roll back. Don't turn the steering wheel.
Yeah, just go back. Hey, look hard on that side, not this side though.
Look fuck us, fuck.
Alright. It's a how-to video. How to change Cl7 and Cl9 rear shocks. And this if you want to install coilovers. We changing the camber arms too and putting on some aftermarket ones because some man that won't be sprawl out. Take this off, then I'm gonna show on the inside. Alright, big notice. What I've just learned from my helper. It's clockwise, not anti-clockwise. It's tightening the bitch. Alright, camera did. We done put back on the coilover, and then gotta put back on this link. Hook it back into right here. Then line it up and hook it up there, and then put on the camber arms. Alright. What they don't tell on is this link. Sometimes it spins, so you gotta use that. You got like a hole inside of the screw that fits an Allen key. You could use that. I got the stock camber arm, guys, pushed in the stock camber arm and jammed up against here, so that when I do this, when I tighten it, the Allen key doesn't move. So that's just like a nigger rig. You understand? It's a bootleg mechanic type thing. I'm a mad mechanic in the rig. Which I know. So yeah, putting on that link. Now we're going to the camber arms. And one thing I hate with the cords, the position where the camber arm is, it far down in the back, yeah, and you have to go through the back here, where you see where my finger is, to get the bolt in, and that's limited space as you can see. Alright, so camber arm now, you just put it on. You don't really need to adjust it yet, or you can if you want to. And you just slide in this bolt through the back, and it got welded nut at the end, so you just screw it in. And as you can see, look at the space, limited. I don't know what fucking Honda were thinking. They fucked up. But yeah, we got her in. Alright, so camber arm in. All you gotta do now, got castle nut. Put it underneath here. Tighten, screw it in, tighten that bitch. Alright, you setting the camber. Master out. Everything set up now. Just setting the preload. These suspensions got dampening setting, so yeah, adjust it. Just if you want it soft or stiff. Adjusting preload. Alright, and for these type of coilovers, to raise or lower it, you don't touch these. This is preload, like I said already. We're trying to raise the car, raise that, and then twist the whole shaft. Alright kids, this is why you use jack stands or blocks in jacking off a car. This one not bad, the exhaust drop on this one. Good thing it wasn't hot, but that, look at that shit. Indented, look at that. I wasn't going on here by myself. I'm not doing that. I'm not going on in no car no more. Yo,
I just hear the car drop.
the man them had to jack it back up fast, boy.
Like I swear to God I did. It's a long road to the top, I gotta feed my kids. If you want to, I can show you all the shit I live. If you want to, I can show you all the shit I live.
Gangsta,
I make moves, I'm a smooth operator. I got 2 men.
That front too low, innit?
If you want to, I can show you all the shit I live.